followers count freeze on Instagram solved. Hello guys. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks. Enable the airplane mode and go back. Click on the apps manager. Open the apps like this. Go to the Instagram app. Now this is the app information page. All what you have to do here is click on the data usage, scroll down and disable the background data and roaming data. Click on this force stop right here and now click on the open by default option. Click on open supported links in this app. Click on ask every time. Go back. Now all what you have to do is just turn off the airplane mode and then restart your phone and reopen Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.